Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech insights. Here at Rome Tech, we're diving into the secure usage of Ledger wallets. Find links to Ledger products in the description below. Ledger stands as a leading global brand in hardware wallets, engineered to deliver top-tier security for your cryptocurrency holdings. Unlike hot wallets, Ledger's hardware approach keeps your private keys offline, significantly minimizing the vulnerability to hacking attempts. This security is bolstered by a secure element chip, the same technology safeguarding your passports and credit cards, providing robust protection for your digital assets. Ledger wallets, including the popular Nano S Plus and Nano X, support a vast array of over 5,500 cryptocurrencies and tokens. They seamlessly integrate with Ledger Live, a user-friendly application that empowers you to manage your portfolio, stake crypto, and engage with decentralized applications. The Nano X elevates the user experience further with Bluetooth connectivity, enabling mobile management without compromising security. Moreover, Ledger consistently updates its firmware to patch vulnerabilities and enhance features. Independent security audits further reinforce Ledger's commitment to security, adding another layer of trust for users. The inclusion of passphrase functionality allows you to create hidden wallets, providing an additional layer of privacy for your assets. It's crucial to acknowledge the 2020 Ledger data breach, which exposed customer information like email addresses. Importantly, this incident did not jeopardize wallet security or private keys. However, it highlighted the critical importance of vigilance against phishing scams. To avoid counterfeit products, always purchase Ledger devices directly from the official website. Ledger wallets are a compelling choice for anyone prioritizing the security of their cryptocurrencies, catering to both long-term investors and active traders. They are particularly advantageous for individuals holding substantial amounts of crypto who require robust offline storage. Both beginners and experienced users will appreciate Ledger's straightforward setup and operation, aided by the comprehensive tutorials and guides provided. In summary, Ledger wallets offer a compelling blend of offline security and user-friendliness, representing one of the safest options for cryptocurrency storage. While no system is entirely impervious to risk, Ledger's established track record, advanced security features, and strong community trust make it a leading choice for safeguarding your digital assets. Explore the links in the description to learn more or acquire a Ledger wallet today.